I like this question. And it's basically this. How do you connect on LinkedIn? Lots of people think it is just to go find somebody, find a name of somebody you want to connect with, bring up their profile. Well, these are all my first level connections, the reactions here. Bring up a person's profile, and they think it's as easy as when you bring their profile up, hit the connect button. That's not how you do it. It's not how you do it. Because Heather doesn't know me. So instead of just hitting that connect button, find another way to do it. Here would be my suggestion. Look for someone that you know who knows Heather and ask them to introduce you. I got 15, 16, 17 people that I know who know Heather because they're connections, mutual connections. So go look at that list and look at one of those mutual connections whom you have a really good relationship. Sue, Brian, Rick Jones, Ander, Megan, Jeremy, Stephanie. These are all good connections of mine. Because, by the way, I'm pretty deliberate about connecting on LinkedIn. I just don't connect. I could call Tamika. I could call Stuart or Rick and ask for an introduction. Hopefully, you're doing the same thing. And if you're not, you start to doing it now. Don't just connect. Have a conversation so they know who you are after you connect. And so if I want to connect with this Heather lady, I'm going to ask one of these people to introduce me. That is the best way to connect on LinkedIn versus sending an invite and hoping and praying. Hoping and praying are not business tactics. Now, let's say you don't have a mutual connection. Okay, let's find another way. Maybe Heather has some content. Maybe she's posted something that is relevant to you, something of her own that's relevant to you, that you can engage on. Don't engage on reposts because Heather won't see that because it'll go back to this piece of content here. Go find a piece of content that Heather shared directly. This right here is one she shared directly. The word repost is not there. So I can engage on that. But it's about 2 years old. But you know what? That's still better than sending an invite and hoping and praying. Let me repeat. The best way to make a connection on LinkedIn with someone who doesn't know you is look and see if you can find someone to introduce you to that person. And make sure it's someone that you know well and that they know that other person well. If you don't have a mutual connection whom you can ask for help, the second best way to do it would be to bump into their content, engage on their content. And once you engage on their content, then there's no rush. Wait a few days and see if they comment back, as long as your engagement was creating an opportunity for them to engage back. And then follow up with a LinkedIn invite. Yeah, anybody can send a LinkedIn connect request to someone who doesn't know you and hope and pray. But hope and prayer are not business processes. They're important, but they're not business processes, and they often don't work as well when it comes to connecting on LinkedIn. I hope this is helpful for you.